So now we start the new unit with the unit on angles. Make sure you date your page, write the page number, add this on your table of contents with this as your title. We'll be good to go. This worksheet will be glued in after. So, a few definitions. An angle. Here's an angle. It is a figure formed by two rays. You can see we have one ray here in red and the other ray here in green. The vertex is the common endpoint of the angles. This is your vertex, and your sides are the rays of an angle. So here's one side, here's your other side. So the whole goal of this section is to be able to name the parts, name an angle, draw an angle given a name, and to classify angles. So examples 1 and 2 say to name the vertex and sides that form each angle. Remember, the vertex is the corner, it's where the two rays meet. So in this one here, it's D. The vertex is D. Now my sides, we have to remember, are rays. So a ray starts at the vertex and goes to the next letter. So one side would be ray, DE. Don't forget to add the ray symbol. And the second side would be the vertex to the next letter. Ray, D, F. Go ahead and label example 2. Your vertex should have been B. Your sides should be BA and ray BC. Next, how to name an angle. There are 4 different ways to name an angle. Examples 3 and 4 ask us to name the angle using all possible names. So the first name is by this number. So we say that this one is angle, and here's your angle symbol, angle 4. The second way is by the vertex. So we say this is angle Q. The third and fourth ways are by using 3 letters that start from 1, go to the vertex, then to the other side. So this would be angle PQR, and I can go backwards and call it angle RQP. Now don't forget that your middle letter must always be your vertex. In example 4, I listed 6 options. Only write down the 4 that you believe to be true. Do not write down the 2 that are incorrect. And the 4 that are true are angle F, angle 7, angle GFH, and angle HFG. The other 2 are wrong. Example 5 and 6 asks us to draw the angle given the vertex and the sides. Remember, your vertex is the corner, and both of your sides will start at that corner. So example 5, I have my vertex at B, and I'm going to go in one direction and label that A, and go another direction and label that C. Now your angle doesn't have to look like mine. It can be larger, it can be smaller, but this letter must always be in the middle. And go ahead and try example 6. You should get something with S in the middle. R on one side and T on the other. Now we're going to classify angles, define each term, and then draw a picture to represent each. An acute angle is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. Here's an angle to represent it. And a way to remember this is, as you may have heard before, it is a acute angle, so it's small. A right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. And that's usually denoted by a little box in the corner. An obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is more than 90, but less than 180. Now, people remember this one because it's obtuse. I've heard OB, something bigger. Whatever helps you memorize it. And lastly, a straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. It's basically a straight line, and that's 180 degrees.